Hey, if we haven't met before, I'm Julie and this is Brett, and we are excited to walk you through the next steps after getting your offer accepted. So congratulations. We've sent you an email with all this stuff, so you have it in your email, but we just wanted to give you a few more details and just say congrats. So what's next?
Well, the next step is, and we may have already received your earnest money or gotten that from you. If we haven't, we'll be sending you either a link to wire that, or we'll set it up to where you can just drop off a personal check at our office. And then before your due diligence deadline, we'll set up a home inspection for you. We'll coordinate that and make sure that the home is in the condition that you want, make sure that there's you still like the neighborhood, that the house checks out on everything. And that inspection can take anywhere from 2 to 3 hours. You can attend the whole time. What most people will do is come at the very end. They'll have a 30 to 45 minute walkthrough. You can check it out, and then we'll get your report results back usually the next day, and we can review it from there.
Yeah, and it's really normal, honestly, for you to feel a little bit of even sometimes like buyer's remorse at this stage, because everything's like, it's a reality, right? You're under contract, you can move forward and buy this place if you want to. So this is where we're gonna make sure that you want to. So if you have any questions, if you have any concerns, like that's why we're here. And the next time we see you is probably gonna be at the home inspection. So just reach out anytime between now and then, and we will definitely help you with anything that comes up.
Yeah, reach out to us. You got 3 of us, so lean on us if you have any questions or concerns, and we'll see you at the inspection.
Thanks.